Hello everyone. Today I will explain your chapter number 4, that is animals, common insect. Okay. As all of you know about the insect right now, and maybe you have seen different kind of insect. Okay. So we can say now that insects are peculiar creatures that are present all around us right now. These insects we can see in large numbers, okay, everywhere, inside our house, sometimes outside our house. Okay, so in this chapter we will study about different kind of insects, their lifespan, okay, their life cycle, and we will discuss about some social insect, some harmful insect, okay, and some remedies for insect bite. Okay, so let us start. Okay, so here as you can see on the screen, many insects are there around us right now. Some common insects are butterfly. Okay, it is so beautiful right now, having many colors with it. Okay, then next one is ant. Okay, ant is also an insect right now that we can see very easily inside our house. Okay, sometimes we are keeping something sweet, okay, or just any edible thing, so we can see ant in the group very easily. Okay, next is mosquito and fly. Okay, these are also example of insect. But you know one thing, as you can see in the picture, okay, every insect has some special feature. Okay, right, like every insect has legs right now, and as you can see in the picture, the topmost part which is on the head, okay, it is called antenna, and then head and compound eyes right now, and then the second part is thorax, and the third one is abdomen. Okay, so we can say an insect has main three parts. Okay, first is head, second is thorax, and the third one is abdomen. Okay, one more thing I want to tell you about the insect, that insects have a hard outer covering on their body. Okay, very hard outer covering. It is called exoskeleton. As you know na, that human body, it is made up of means many bones are inside. These bones give shape to us. Okay, and these bones together are making a skeleton right now. But here it is exoskeleton, means it is present outside, okay, not inside right now, and it is too tough. It is giving protection to the insect. Okay, as it is tough, it means it is made up of very firm and durable substance. Okay, very firm and durable substance. Okay, and obviously it will protect to the inner part of the body. Second thing, insect have 6 legs. Okay, as you can see in the picture now, see the insect, it is having 6 legs. Okay, now life cycle. Okay, life cycle of a butterfly. As I told you in beginning that butterfly is what? Butterfly is also an insect right now. So here I will explain about the life cycle. Means we can say that insects pass through different stages in their lives. Okay, For example, as it is shown in the picture, first of all, butterfly is laying egg. Okay, then a second structure is there, then the third one, and then only we are getting a beautiful butterfly. Okay, so we can say now that a butterfly lays eggs, then the egg hatches into a caterpillar. Okay, into a caterpillar, and then the caterpillar sheds its skin and becomes a pupa. Okay, and then this pupa only develops into a butterfly. See here, as I explained, a butterfly lays egg, then egg hatches into caterpillar, and then caterpillar sheds its skin and becomes a pupa, and then pupa develops into a butterfly. Okay, and then into a adult butterfly. Okay, so this is the life cycle of a butterfly. But you know what is the lifespan of a butterfly? Because every creature in this world is having different lifespan. Right now, for example, a cat is having different lifespan, dog is having different lifespan, humans, they are having different lifespan. Right now, the same way, butterfly is also having some lifespan. I mean to say, how longer it can live, okay, or how longer it can stay alive. Both are the same thing, na? Okay, so butterfly can live up to 20 to 30 days. Okay, this is the lifespan of a butterfly. Okay, now see the next one. Some social insect are there. Okay, social insect we can say like ant, as I have shown you the picture. Okay, and then bees, wasp, termites, these all are social insects. Okay, I told you termites, right now? I told you termites. You know what are the termites? Okay, maybe you heard termites means a type of insect which is eating all time wood only. Okay, once a termite is surviving on the wood, definitely it will eat up all wood. Okay. The same way ant, okay, it is also a social insect. Okay, it is also a social insect, right now. So where it is found? The first point, as you can see, ant can be found within or outside at home. Okay, as they prefer sweets, bread and other cooked food. Okay, second one, ants are generally found behind the doors and windows, frames, beneath the carpet. These all are the places where these are found. Okay, and maybe you have seen, means outdoors, ant colonies are generally located in flower pots. Okay, you can observe it. Okay, many times we can see them very easily. Now the main thing is that there are three kinds of ants in a colony. Okay, first is queen, and second female workers, and third is male. Okay, what are their tasks? Okay, means what they are doing. A queen is different. All are ant. Okay, all are ant, but one ant is queen. Okay, what is the work of queen? What it is doing? It is laying eggs. Okay, and then workers ants are also there, na? So what they are doing? They are just arranging all the things like food and some other things. Okay, and then male. Okay, males are also present in their colonies. Now, honeybees. Okay, honeybees, as we all know na, that we are getting honey from honeybees, right? We all heard it from our parents, right? So, these honeybee can live in both natural and domestic environment. Okay, generally these are found where? In gardens, in orchards, right now. Why these are found in the gardens and orchard? Why? Because honeybees are sucking nectar, right now, and this nectar they are getting from the flowers. Okay. One more thing is there, that humans are also keeping them in the farms. Okay, means we can say that humans are rearing honeybees. For what purpose? Just to get wax and honey. Okay, and we people are using honey and wax in different ways. Okay, so if in this way people are keeping them in the farms, or we can say just rearing the honeybees, it is called beekeeping or apiculture. Okay, like one more thing is there, sericulture. You know about the sericulture? The apiculture is what rearing of the honeybees. The same way, sericulture means it is also a kind of rearing of some insect. Okay, we are getting silk na, silkworm right now, that is sericulture. Now as you can see in the picture, it is beehive na. Okay, many honeybees are there. Okay, and you can see that they are just storing the honey. Okay, now some harmful insect. Okay, as we have seen that some insects are social insects. Okay, they are not that much harmful for us. In fact, they are helpful, like honeybees. Right now we are getting honey or wax from the honeybees, such kind of insects. Now next is harmful. Some insects are harmful also. Right now, like termites, okay, flies, cockroaches, wasps. These are too much harmful for us. How they are harmful? As I told you, termites, they are eating up all the wood. Okay, if they are surviving on wooden furniture, na, definitely in few days they will just eat up all the wood. Okay, so they are harmful. And the second one, flies. Okay, they are just sitting on dirty places right now, and then they are just sitting here and there. So in this way they are just working like the carriers, means they are just carrying some bacterias. Okay, and these bacterias, harmful bacterias, they are just spreading out diseases, different kind of diseases. Okay, so in this way these insects are very harmful. The same way cockroach, you have seen cockroaches and wasps, these are also harmful for us. Okay, now some, as on the screen you can see silverfish. Okay, it can destroy our growth. Maybe you have seen it is looking like fish. Okay, very small insect it is. Okay, looking like fish, and in color it is of silver color. Okay, its color is silver. Okay, then ants, flies and cockroaches, they can spoil our food. Okay, and termites, as I told you, it can eat up the wooden furniture and books. Now remedies for insect bite. Okay, sometime it is happening na, that wasp, bees, ants, they are just having a bite. Okay, and we people are in pain, and we are just crying just because of those bites. Okay, so what we need to do for insect bite, we can place an ice pack over the affected area. Right now we can put an ice pack na over the affected area. And second thing, we can take anti-allergic medicine also. Okay, it will give relief to us. And third thing, for wasp stings, we can apply a paste of baking soda. Okay, a paste of baking soda. It will also give relief to us. Okay, so in this way, these are some remedies for the insect bites which are used very frequently. Okay, now preventive measures. Okay, preventive measures, as you have seen that mosquito, flies, ants, wasp, honeybees, so many insects are present around us. Okay, but many are not that much harmful, but many insects are harmful also. Okay, like mosquitoes, they are just spreading out diseases, right now? Malaria, dengue, these diseases are just because of mosquitoes now. Okay, so what we need to do? What we need to do? We need to keep our surroundings clean. Okay. And we can keep ourselves also clean. We can wear long-sleeved shirts and keep our body covered. In this way, we can save ourselves from insect bites. Okay, and one more thing is there. If we are just going outside, there are so many lotions which are available in the market. We can apply them also. So these all are the preventive measures. One more thing, in night when we are going to sleep, we can use net. Okay, it will save ourselves from the insect like mosquito, flies, and others are also which are present in our environment. Okay, as you can see here in the picture, see the mosquito right now, they are sucking the blood. Okay, and they are just spreading out different kind of diseases like malaria, dengue. These all diseases are just because of mosquito only. Okay, so it is necessary for us to ourselves from mosquito. Okay, so see here, this kind of net we can use to save ourselves. Okay, one more thing, flies are also available in our environment, and they are just sitting on the dirty places. Then they are just sitting on our food stuff also, right now. So it is necessary to cover our food also. Okay, so how we can cover our food? Use a lid, right now. Wherever you are storing your food stuff now, use a lid to cover it, or sometimes you can just wrap it with paper also, with foil also, as it is shown in the picture. Okay, so in this way we can save ourselves from the diseases also which are spread by these insects. Okay, I hope you understood all the preventive measures and about the harmful insects also. Okay, other than these insects, many insects are also present around us. So such kind of preventive measures save us from the infections. Okay, nowadays, as you know na, coronavirus, right now, it is spreading out so badly. Right now, we can save ourselves from that virus also by taking very easy or just following very easy steps. Right now, we need to wash our hand. Right now, we need to keep ourselves clean. We need to keep our surrounding clean. Okay, so whether it is corona or other virus, we can keep ourselves safe. Okay, so I hope it is clear to all of you. Okay, so just stay safe and stay healthy. At the end of this video, of these slides, I have one more video. As I told you that ants live in colony, and they are just of three kind, queen and laborers, right now, and males. So here I have just added one video. I hope you will enjoy it a lot. Okay, so just watch it. Yeah.